Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Annalise and today is very exciting because I am doing a makeup video on my channel. Now on my channel I usually do fashion based vids, but recently I've noticed that I kind of want to expand that a little bit. I will always do fashion videos, always until the day I die, because I love fashion so much, but I also want to incorporate some more makeup videos and challenge videos. Like I've considered doing the 10,000 calorie challenge vid, so let me know if you're interested in that. But I thought, what better way to ease into doing makeup videos than by doing a makeup unboxing. So that is why when I saw that Jeffree Star was releasing a Valentine's Day mystery box, I knew that I had to have it. So I went online and I bought it. Now I know I'm a little bit behind on this video, like people have already uploaded all of theirs like last week, but I live in Australia and getting items to Australia, it takes some time. So I couldn't get this up the next day because it wasn't gonna get here, but it just got here yesterday, so I'm very excited to open this. But I am very excited to open it up because I don't know what's inside, so let's open this one up together. I'm a little bit nervous because I know Jeffree Star has some wild makeup colors, so hopefully I don't get like a black highlighter because it's not gonna suit my pale ass skin tone, but we shall see if I got a good one or if I got a bit of a dud box. Okay, here's the moment of truth. Ready to open it? I'm actually a little bit nervous. All right, let's open it up and see what's inside. Oh, okay, there's tissue paper. That was a bit anticlimactic. All right, let's take away this tissue paper and see what we have. Oh my goodness, oh, I'm so excited. Okay, this is what is here. So first of all, we have a pop socket that is the Jeffree Star logo. Okay, this is the case I have on my phone, so I don't know if the pop socket's gonna stick, but I'm just gonna try. And it worked. Okay, so that is the Jeffree Star pop socket. That'll actually be pretty good. Not what I expected to be in the box, but I mean, I'm not annoyed at it. That'll be good to hold my phone with. Doesn't really match my case, but that's okay. So next, there is some makeup, which is obviously what we are most looking forward to. So we have some Skin Frost Supreme Frost, velour liquid lipstick, some lip ammunition, and another velour liquid lipstick. Okay, I want to start by opening up the Skin Frost. So I don't own any highlighters from Jeffree Star. I own a few liquid lips, but it would be amazing if this was in a good color. Oh my god, I know this color. Oh, okay, I just saw the name on the back and it's Regina George. Damn it, I got stitched up. This is the highlight color. As you can see, it is a very bright pink. So let's swatch this. Oh, that looks pretty good. So that is the swatch. I'm of course going to try on the highlighter as well. I didn't wear any highlight today because I knew I was getting one in here. So this would probably work as like a blush, or it would be great for festivals actually. So I mean, I'm not mad at it, but it could have been a lot worse, but it also could have been a lot better. So definitely interesting. All right, let's try the Regina George highlight. Now this is the highlight brush that I use. I don't use one of the fan brushes, so apologies for that. But let's get a lot on and see how it looks. Okay, and that is the Regina George highlight. That's what it looks like on. It's interesting. I think I would definitely wear this at music festivals. I'm not going to any soon, but if one comes up, I would definitely use this. But would I wear this in my day-to-day life? Probably not. So I've also just realized I'm trying this on right now at the end of the video. Like I've already seen everything, so in the next shot you're not gonna see me having one pink cheek. But yeah, I'm a new to the beauty guru life, so I didn't think this through. But anyway, cutting to the next shot where I'm no longer having a pink cheek. Next up, I want to open the Supreme Frost, and this looks to be in a better color. Yay! It says right here that it is frozen peach, so that is more my alley. Yes, ta-da! This is the color that we have here, the frozen peach. This is more of a highlight that I would actually wear. That suits my skin tone a lot better than the bright pink one, but that's okay. So let's swatch this one as well. Okay, definitely subtle. If you can vaguely see, it's right there. Maybe it's because I'm so pale. Let's see if I can get a little bit more. I always hear that his highlighters are blinding. I wouldn't really describe that one as blinding, but maybe when I put it on, it'll look a lot better. So using the same brush, let's apply some onto my cheek. And I'm just gonna use the Regina George palette thingy just to see what I'm doing. Okay. I don't know. Oh, it's coming up on camera. Okay, in person, I was like, I'm putting quite a lot on here. Now, I don't know, everyone always raves about how amazing Jeffree Star highlighters are and how they are blinding. Maybe it's the way I'm applying it, but it doesn't look blinding, I guess. It just looks like a normal highlight. It's good, don't get me wrong, but I wouldn't describe it as like absolutely phenomenal. Does that make sense? I'm not hating on Jeffree Star by any means. I think he is amazing, but I just kind of think maybe this product is a little bit overhyped. Like, can you guys see the frozen peach? In person, I can't, so let me put even more on. There we have it. That is what the frozen peach looks like on. So I definitely took a few goes like dipping in and putting it on my face to get it to this point, but we got there in the end. I mean, overall, it's fine. It's pretty good, and I'm just happy that I didn't get the charcoal color. Next, we have the 3 lipsticks. So firstly, let's open up the lip ammunition. I mean, I love the packaging on this. The gorge pink sparkles. I think it looks amazing. So I haven't looked at what the packaging says the color is, so let's just see together. Oh my. Okay. It is a very dark gray lipstick. I don't own anything like this in my minimal makeup collection, so it's definitely different, that's for sure. So yeah, I don't know. I've never worn anything like this, so I don't actually know if I'm gonna like it or not. Not something I would usually wear, but maybe that's a good thing. So let's take off this lipstick and try this on. And this is what the lipstick color looks like on. Kind of getting more Tisha Adams vibes. It's definitely not a color that I would usually wear, but I'm not against it. I actually kind of like it. And I know I said I wouldn't be using this lip ammunition, but now that it's on, I think I actually really like it. So I will probably be wearing this again soon. Next up is this liquid lipstick, and I just saw what the color is, and I mean, it's interesting. It is this right here. This is the color. It is called Crocodile Tears, and I mean, maybe they knew I was Aussie and knew they had to send this my way. But I've never worn a green one like this before. I usually wear pretty basic makeup. I don't really wear brighter or darker, I guess I should say, colors. So this is interesting. I don't know if it'll get used, but let's try it on and see how it looks. And there we have it. This is what Crocodile Tears looks like on. I don't know how I feel about it. I don't think I would wear this in my day-to-day life, or if I was going out somewhere. I don't know, I think this color might just be a little bit too different for me personally, but I mean, it applied really well. It dried down really quickly, but I mean, all Jeffree Star full lipsticks, in my opinion, are great. But one thing is that I know Jeffree Star said in the past that all of his liquid lipsticks are approved for eye use, so I could always use this in an eye look somehow. Again, don't really know how. So overall, I don't really like this color. I think I got pretty unlucky to get this Crocodile Tears color, but I mean, that's the part of the mystery box. You don't know what you're gonna get. And the lucky last liquid lipstick, let's open it up. I literally have this color. Oh my gosh, it is this purple lavender liquid lipstick color. I have about 5 Jeffree Star liquid lipsticks, and one of them is this color. What are the odds of that? So let's put this one on. I guess the one I have is probably expired, considering I bought it in 2016. So it's probably due to be replaced. So let's put this one on. I mean, I already know how it looks. It doesn't really suit me, but let's try it on anyway. And this is what it looks like on. So again, I'm not the biggest fan of this color. Definitely think that I got stitched up by getting these 2 colors. Would have been amazing if I got all gorgeous colors, but I mean, it is what it is. Maybe throughout these boxes they try to put in colorful colors, because I mean, I know some people out there would be happy to get these, but just me personally, not the biggest fan. I don't really like how this color looks on. It is definitely a summery vibe, but I think it's better suited for people with dark skin tones than with my pale skin tone. And then this color, I don't really like it. But yeah, I'm another biggest fan of this one. I thought those were the only makeup products, but there's actually 2 more that I didn't see in the box because they were covered by the t-shirt. So we have another velour liquid lipstick. Please be a better color than lavender and green. Be a color that I would wear. That is all I asked. Please, please, please. Ah, yes. Okay. And it's this color right here, like a plum pink. This is called Doll Parts. I always love his names. And I actually used to wear a lipstick like this every single day in 2016. It wasn't from Jeffree Star, it was from Kylie Cosmetics, but this is a very nice color that will get used. So let's try it on. And this is what it looks like on. Obviously it clashes with the dress, but I really, really like this color. Now I have the highlighter on that's pink from earlier. I've kind of tried to hide it with my hair, but I think they actually look pretty cool together for like a festival pink look. I think they look really good. But I actually like this just by itself for an ordinary day. I think it is really cute. It's a nice mixture between a neutral tone and a like bright red. So I'm very, very happy with this color. Honestly, this amazing color makes me forget about how bad these were, you know, like the mystery box was worth it to get one good color. And then this is the final makeup product. It is a lip liner, hopefully in a gorge color, hopefully not a green lip liner. If I could have any color, I would have it be brown or red. So let's, oh, that sound. Oh, I love the packaging. I forgot he had really cool packaging on the lip liners, but let's see. Oh, okay. So this is in the shade Calabasas. Love that. And as you can kind of see here, it is a plumish color. So it might actually match well with this. So I might have just got like a lip kit together because I think those will look really cute. So I'm not mad at the lip liner. I'm actually really happy with it. So let's put it on. Alright, and this is what it looks like on. Now I know it's only a lip liner, but just so you guys could see the color properly, I filled my entire lips in, as you can obviously tell. And I mean, a lot of people do that with their lip liner anyway, so I just thought it was best to show you guys the color. I really like this as well. I think I got very lucky that these 2 match because I don't think that's standard. I haven't watched what anyone else got in their boxes, but I don't believe it would be standard to have them matching, so we finally got a win in this box after having some interesting highlighters and some interesting lipsticks. We have a win. And the lucky last item in the mystery box is a t-shirt. Now, I'm really hoping I got a good t-shirt because I was planning on wearing this to the gym later today, so hopefully it's gonna look cute. Okay, I got a good t-shirt. It is this one that says can't relate, can't, I don't know, whatever you want to say. And it is amazing. I was really hoping I would get like one with a cool slogan on it. So I am very happy with this one. It is so cool. So it has the can't relate with the fingers snapping. And then on the back, it just has the Jeffree Star logo. So it's a very lightweight t-shirt, which good because this was my gym t-shirt today. So I was hoping the graphics on it weren't going to be too much. And it just looks to be really nice. And I got this in a size small. Usually I wear an extra small, but I like my t-shirts to be just that little bit baggier. And I think this will be exactly that. So let's try on this t-shirt and see how it looks. And this is what the top looks like on. This is the front and this is the back. So I have it out like this, but if I was gonna wear it, I would style it with a pair of denim shorts that I'm wearing. Want to learn how to make a pair of denim shorts? You should go check it out on my vlog channel. Wow, what a fun little promo there. But I would probably wear it with denim shorts and then just tuck in that front bit and leave the back bits loose. That's how I really love to wear my t-shirts. I actually really like the color as well. I don't really own anything in this maroon color. Oh, okay, a big thread just came off. But yeah, I don't really own anything in this maroon color, so it's definitely a nice change. So I love it. I can't believe how well this mystery box went. I know I like didn't love all of it, but it's a mystery box, so I wasn't gonna love all of it. But I mean, the amount of stuff I got was great, and I think this shirt is just the cherry on top. So can't wait to wear this soon because I think it's gonna be great for casual days. And that is the end of my review on Jeffree Star's Valentine's Day mystery box. Overall, I enjoyed this box. I know I didn't like the lipsticks and I don't really know what I'm gonna do with the Regina George highlighter, but I mean, it's all in good fun. When you buy a mystery box, you don't know what you're gonna get. So to get all good quality items, I mean, I was pretty happy with it. So although I don't quite know when these two are gonna get used, it's all in good fun. And I really enjoyed this video, and I enjoyed making a makeup video. So if you guys enjoyed this as well, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because I upload new videos every single week. And if you want to see more of my face or some of these lipsticks and highlighters in action, then be sure to follow me on Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. My links are down below and on the screen right now. And that's the end of today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did making it, and I'll see you next time. Bye!